bawinile isifubeni sneak park sifubeni stand up
ngamathabu kubadi kugogo
agogo
baweni hello
like bayazi ukuthi ubhukhona but then kunalabo ukuthi nje bafuna ukuhleka like uyabayabaza abanye abafazi banokuthi chambo abafazi
like
ishona uthi abafazi la uthi ngamadoda ukuqala
like chomza masingana ngilo chomza masingana ntoni chomza mahlamba ngepinkora story time akubuyi boy la
then see a taxi man like you understand umfana bemuhle ugeli kuqi yabo so
then siyazi ukuthi then siyazi
mina shame I don't wanna lie bengimlwele yabona uThepang I was fighting for Uthepang ngisa ngimlandi sitaba ngithi sisiwenzani noThepang what are you doing Uthepang kiwaka kiwa ek
shukuthi umntana kibo angazi usenze nendlumiso bahlanganisana yena ngiyamazi ukuthi uyisifebe but wam ngikubhayo ngiyapost kwangibhizi.
Hi, welcome to Gay Chat. So guys, yeah, it's your girl Obi Baby, the baddest beat in the ABCD. So I'm having you one, I'm having
hey guys, it's okay. I was still on the blog. The job has to be
Ropesti.
Chummy zami zingana hill, chummy zami ze 2 in 1, chummy zami zihlamba ngepinkora. It's your girl Teddy, the hottest gay in the south.
Yeah.
Molweni izinto esikhala ngamnqonya bovuyo it's a girls wash memes ibhodlela lakho la estropezi dimnandi njengayo xa ngabe mnandi mnake obamnandi bani umnqonya bovuyo umsipha wendogo bizaya hello isexesheni okay I forgot dilibele nakhulu ndisexesheni andithembofeleleyo.
Okay guys, so guys we just want to congratulate your team. Bawinile isifubeni sneak park sifubeni stand up
ngamathabu kubadi kugogo baweni hello.
So yeah guys, so today we're just going to talk about gays and soccer. Tina, do we like soccer or what? I was telling a soccer player. She was once a soccer player. America. So yeah guys, she was in America. I need to
explain
what
happened.
Why is what is this question? Pirates so important with Nelly. So guys, of course you know good Pirates to the 3-0, you know Muslim. I'm really but yeah, that's what I've been told. But since Nelly is a big fan, so who's are from the good team? Like represent like Adi. Oh, to you, Nyalti. Shout out to her.
Cheers. Start a drink. It drinks.
Drink it out. Couldn't afford it. Why? Brandy.
My brand ambassador.
Uyofaka bafana stadium. Shimikhuluma yini ngamanje?
Ngithini hayibo? Yini into engizoyikhuluma mina?
So like
khuluma sexesheni ya.
Ibhola yalithanda noma.
But ngiyawathanda msoka play.
Mina nje
ngithanda umuntu ose-14.
ngithanda nje indawo nabafana.
Yes, ka indawo nabafana
amadoda.
Yabo unothi ugcokile amadoda.
Kuthi babone ukuthi like makaphuma labathi oh cause siwinile sisimbambe. Sisimbabe sisimlethelele ukuthi lesiwinile vele.
Yeah, iyo.
So like if they're on into masodo esikhala kamnandi. Hello.
Zizi yini wabanda.
How bad do you want to say? I was the what's going on na be age. I'm gonna tell you twice, bitch.
ngicela ukukhuluma tu isinkwa sakho nawe yazi
Isinkwa sakho lesi samehla ngemihla. Isinkwa sakho lesi.
Siletheni ngesidle.
Bosh.
Sama ukukhuluma ngesinkwa
Show ngithini ngesokha. Cause nje intombazana nje ifuna attention yabafana ngesokha. It's not like ngiyithanda lento.
Uburuzo.
Intombazana nje.
Biao, bestilala.
Like today is not like
Bestilala.
You're the best of all.
Biao.
bavana baba
Okay guys, xa sifumene ebholeni because abona nje like leso pick ivele ibhoka masebholeni like because asijwayelanga ibhola and stuff topic of the day.
tell me abageza ngepink water
Chummy Zam is a pink water, Chummy Zam is gonna heal. Chummy Zam is a 2-in-1.
2-in-1 hello shall be you
Story time. Like Chums are missing and I heal Chums are missing and don't Chums are missing and buying a pink aura. Story time. I'm going to go buy boy now. I'm going to go buy boy now.
hold on see a text man
Guys, baby. Oh,
so guys okay sharp digging into another second topic is Gucci. If you guys notice Gucci gays have really best personalities and different personalities. You guys have you noticed?
Mayo.
Okay.
Mayo.
Kanjani, have you noticed Kanjani?
There's different types of my vibe. I'm okay. That's the thing. You, umunye vibe back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uzothi, okay, sharp. Let me tell you one thing. I'm okay. Today, uzoba ne vibe layer. Kusasa wena le vibe ebhora abantu. Like there's a type where my vibe with that vibe actually. Une type different types of vibes. Do you get my point?
Yeah.
Like Nutini, usposhi vibe yakhe. Hello. Yabona hello. The opening space ka Sposh. Masenza uthi hello chomi like if vibe yami yakubhoka today. Kamla mose uthi hi Sposh. Hello. Like ngikuphila hello. Do you get my point? So bitch, thank you.
Bitch, thank you, bitch. Chest, bitch.
Ho.
Yes.
Ho.
Ho. Sinkwa sakho lesi.
Sinkwa sakho. Yo.
Kwabela ucheze isinkwa sakho is brown bread.
Jimmy, Siguwe. The question. Oh, like not being my personality or my gay. Because I feel like gays have different personalities. I need you agree. Yeah. So, like on the personalities, ne. So, I'm saying for example, njenga pink water, Ndlondlo, you know, we have my personality. There are two different personalities. So when more big so when I what's your vision about different types?
Like, okay, sharp, mina, when I'm inside me. I ain't sure because it's cut esiningi angihlali nabo yabo ngihlezi nginamantombazana. Yes. So mina engibabonayo ilaba bokuthi personality yakhe like umuntu wabantu.
Okay, asikisi ngokukhathane. But I'm just saying not ukuthi yabo bonabo. Yabo. Ngama personality nawe yabona ukuthi amagi awafani.
Yeah,
ama personality. La maybe social ungaba labo babona stuff yeah.
Okay, sharp. I'm a person like away.
Okay.
Like me now. Yeah. Yes, I'm a personality lawa atingirayo community like leya vibe yokuthi itabene ngokudabana. Yes.
Bila like community.
Nje yabo.
I'm a fast.
Nisumphakathi wethu.
Like yawukuthi uphakathi opraye. Ophula boka shepherd. Yawa. Asikho lapho kodwa by the way ya.
Ivibe iqinisa umphakathi.
Asikho lapho
friend. Friend qhubeka.
Like eqinisa umphakathi.
Like it's obi like
you know I still I into the business but I'm not inside the business. Okay, yeah. Turkey.
It's your braid. You have to give the vibe. Don't see the
Sikusuile silana.
Dala sa phela isikwatala sathi qediwe.
So good one.
Sesinkweni esisha manje seke-shirt.
Okay, guys. So yeah, guys, umphakathi uyasidinga. Like, if we really see abambonayo, I give us survive, you know.
Yo.
Onele basufeza futhi.
Umphakathi it's like umdinga ngaleyo ndlela.
It's not like ngiyadinga mina phakathi nje.
But guys, I'm give you like sasiqinisa umphakathi. You know, if you think it's what,
Bese phela baba siflake ikhe abakhona.
siyabaqinisa.
bona.
Senzela ukuthi like, for example, ne.
Chomi phendula question ungaphendule zakho phela.
Get your boat.
Like that's right.
So, yeah. Okay. So Chomi, wait now. Do you feel like gays should have different personalities, and what's your vision about that?
So with that.
Yeah.
Ngeke. Singwa sakho lesi.
Yeah, like guys, I'm a kind of different types of personalities, different types of lifestyle. So, I find out ukuthi umuntu TikTok uyapapa. Like umuntu uyapapa TikTok. But real.
Thank you.
Leya like angeke udetermine umuntu through social media.
Yeah.
Because umuntu akekho njalo through social media because unomunye ke washo ukuthi uyapapa ke ku TikTok. But then mom face are like real ushy like kulo muntu onga like social yakhe iyayehla so
mina ngimnanyo papa like viral it's like reality.
But I say, like umphakathi uyakudinga, you have
Lento umphakathi ayigquzeleka like
like mabakudinga emphakathini ubalethelani evalit
ubalethelani vele
like aqinile emphakathini esizothi maybe yadonate whatever there's something manikuyenza emphakathini
donation
like kwamele kube nento yenza emphakathini angeke bakudinge for ukuthi uyaphila.
Show me just the people seeing you. Like bakubheke nje.
okay
Like you just ukubheka.
ucabanga into ekhona
Job
mina like mina
yabona mina.
yabona
Bangilanga esitrateni sami.
mame like nje yabona mina umphakathi
Oh bakutshela
Bakujayela
bayazi nabo like yabona mina like into engingitshela yona ukuthi like ngilethane emphakathini ngiletha ubutabane bukhona.
Yeah.
Yabona ubutabane bukhona.
Ukabona
Uzalekela
ukabona yabona njengami. You know why am I saying that? Ukabona Chomi, for example, ne, let's say awuphumanga for iviki. Hayibo, bawukuphi Chomi?
ngitshayile sometimes not like that dinga.
Okay.
Like sometimes like somehow I feel like about like bad like bayazi ukuthi ubukhona but then kunalabo ukuthi nje bafuna ukuhleka like uyabayabaza abanye abafazi banokuthi chambo abafazi
like
njalo uthi abafazi la uthi ngamadoda ukuqala le mofizo uthi ngawe like umfazi also indoda ezoba serious ukuthi hayi opening ngakugcina badingela
bambawelayo sana
abambaweli basestratini sakhe bafuna ukumtrap abambaweli
Ushababo Viana. Parece que dia.
like today one
Okay, shapa sikola bafazi molweni
already.
So yeah, okay, topic of the day. Guys. Okay. Did you ask me about like Magapuma?
Yeah.
Simbuzi.
So Chomi, how was like the aim in who building your building of education?
like
Building
education. Building education. Before we build that, you're building your home.
Your home, yeah, you're
building the future.
Friday into yabona Friday ngifile egazini
We feel it. Which subjects, friend?
like isubject ngifile kakhulu natural science.
Natural science.
It is natural.
You got to that little 3 years back.
Okay.
And if it's like it's not like sifundela kakhulu sifunda nama-subjects ayi-3-4 wabo ukuthi isikolo siya baba busy ke sigcwala
Baba ngimshikwe
sibona ama-recovery
Oh,
but no, not for me, guess.
Only ama-model.
Angazi bekwenzani like basixoshile bathi sathi makithi.
Sure. Wow, I understand.
And like
Natural science.
and
Natural science and technology. Technology. Best in Ghana.
Okay, Chummy.
So like to me, konje natural science isawela kule nto ukuthi ngijayivela ama-marks ne.
creative as a
Like isawela kuleyo category leyo ukuthi ngijayivela ama-marks. Oh, okay, wow.
last day.
Last year, 2 years back, baby.
This was a clever
Never yan.
try.
Ay, bro, ngicathi ngina ngipilisiwe. Ngimdala kabi, baby. Sure, baby.
Next year usibasho to network. Ndiyabidlali.
Thank you. If like asingabanga, asazi barangezi ngaphe mina.
Make sure you like to have
education.
You know, everything and so on. So yeah, guys, besibabuza ngokuthi like, you know, indlu yasesikoleni phela we're building something there at school, you know, guys. We're building whatever. Yeah, but so yeah. So guys,
like okay, I need to like his goal value.
No, 2023.
Like, what do you do for daily living? Master school and like
Pushy content.
so be like in Navale, yo, my schedule is so busy, sana. Yo, keep it on shape. You would say, so say, you by the way, timetable you're going to screen.
Yeah, Kinjang. Album, chum.
Yeah, so lady, so Emma, Monday, during Mondays, I go for jogging. I jog. I'm telling you, you know, Monday I jog to be fit for the weights. Then Tuesday, visitors time. Visitors. Then Wednesday,
so nabafana ubabona nge-timetable.
Yes, my darling. Like you know, you know, Abafana. I think it's Abafana, but yeah. Yeah. So my dream shot level, but I've been to Dubai and shot to Dubai, so yeah, something like that. But it's very mean as you move home. Everything is what
busy.
The one njengoba wena uthi wenza nesipeni wena ngithi usa build the future mina ngibuild futhi ubuild education is picture of the future yeah mina ngibuild uthando each and every day like you know that's what I'm building yeah
So like okay njengoba wena uthi each and every day build uthando akakubona umbona every day
angimboni every day too
you are phela you
angimboni every day yeah
Singayihleki.
so ngicina ukubona ucina ukubona
Bani?
ukugcina isala
Abo chumizwa mangiphuma manje ujwingi mazimvele ngandlula kuyenza stuff it's not like
so mina nje ngimboni all the time yabo but ngathi ngbuild the time don't build it anything build some I'm build the place
wena sisibona futhi
uyafutha unele mkuphi
umgcine nini abafuna uthando lwami cha uthando lwami
schedule abantu basesikolweni
thank you
Mina one action. There's nothing serious that I do. I won't lie, actually.
That kind of a social media platform.
uyabukela nje ama-fancy life abantu
You should know friends and all.
uya-admire
One thing I do. I mean, I think like there's something I do every day besides weekends. Is this like Monday to Friday I do the same thing. I just wake up, cleaning, guys. I sit home, prepare my vlogs, cause vlogs I think they keep me busy more. So yeah, I think
bela bukela impilo zabantu zihamba yabo
so friend ngithi build something, build a what?
Mama,
So,
I'm a big coming.
So build a, okay?
Isitotsi ngcinini.
Yeah?
Isitotsi ngcinini.
What you mean? Get your leg up. Enjoy the finding. Single.
Aibo.
Sugar.
Over.
That's nice. Cheers to that.
I have a question. I just want to extend the question that she was asking me. Do you prefer to see your partner every day or only on weekends? Each and every one of you.
It's work. Can I start? I do prefer to see him every day, but there's this certain days it was like I don't want to see him today, ne? Like so there's and stuff. But according to my perspective, I just want to see him every day.
I mean, Hashem, no, because as like ikufika lesikhathi sokuthi yabo umuntu umbona everyday noma sekazile soyomectela soyashesha ukuhamba yabo lezo zinto like ngifuna ukuthi kube nalesikhathi sokuthi okay shop ngihlale ngamboni maybe 2 days then leli
wenzani 2 days
no try I could angenzi next like ngihleli like mase kufika lesikhathi sokuthi yabo today
ngikhuluma noMukasi lo ukaSintonto
yes usenzo
hayi ukaSintontoli
umshado yabo so like nayo uyazi ukuthi okay shop mangamtextanga angifuni ukumbona or yena if uzomtext yeah mara manje seNatal izinto zakibo yebo bangithatheleni so naye like unokungitexta then makabona ukuthi okay shop online ngiphendule so sesibuzane kahle kusazi ukuthi okay shop angangiphendulanga ngitshela ukuthi yobe ngibusy ngoba bengekho busy nje yabo like ngoba ulo muntu ukuthi ufuna ukungibona vele ngepost every day so and angeke ukwazi ukuthi hayi yabo because ngithanda kuzobe ngathi manje yabo
ngisho ngifuna like umuntu amahlezi eseBerlin like but it's in Parks Province so anyway so
sisi
sinamali chomi tupala
your friend
here okay O'Brien
and like Monday yeah it was Monday sivalelu game cabanga ngilandwa ubani undomizo uthi kimi mina ngithe ngifuna ukumshaya indaba kaSenzo yabo shukuthi umntana kibo angazi uSenzo noNdumiso bahlanganisana yena ngiyamazi ukuthi uyisifebe but owam ngikubhayo ngiyapostwa ngibhizi so yabo maqeda ngiyambuza ukuthi okay shop yenzakalani ukubuza uSenzo ngitshela ukuthi hayibo uNdumiso uthi uSenzo amshaya descendant yabo kanti ngithi mina noma ngamshela angeke azamthola wami yabo then kanti kunombali la esayidini lo girl athathe indaba ijika afika athi mina ngithe ini noma ngamkhalelo yabo unaNdumiso angibuza ukuthi manje chomi wayakhuluma kanje mina hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukusilo ngithi ngani athi ngendaba kaSenzo ngithi hayi mina ngiyenze pressure mfana chomi umfuna ngithathi ngizokushiyela yena yabo then fana hayi yena Senzo uthe kuye ufuna umuntu yabo wathi oyigay wathi uzomfunela wathi ufuna yena then yena athi okay nini then after ke yaphela lapha indaba yabo ngambuza wangitshela vele iqiniso then wanginike password nami yakhe so ngayichange sekuyini ngibona into ngichayenza
umuntu akhe manje official
okubam
Shukuthi nathi mesende isibebe sakho.
thank you
okay
ngidlala njengami nje ukuthi bangiyangidlala ngiyawazi bafana
so nini
Mina hlala don't prefer ukusiwa ukubonwa every day. Because somehow this thing ukuthi kwamele nikhumbulane not every day kwamele nibonane.
yes
Like kwamele maybe you know ukuthi maybe nibonana Wednesday, maybe like sometimes in a week, because kwamele phela ngeke indaba ziphile zikhona. Somehow kwamele nikhumbulane nitshelane something. So manje ubonana every day. No.
so umbona akaza zokubona unama moods then uzothi yam-exhale izinto ezishaya
Uthola ukuthi wena awufuni ukukhuluma naye. Yena sekafikile ula. Uzomenza umuntu sekafikile la. Because ake kumjikisa umthetho uthamba kini. So wena
so mina guys I prefer umuntu engibona every day because I feel like okay mina ngumuntu onama feelings and I love talking to people to someone yabo so instead ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyambona every day mangekho right ngiyamtshela and mind you uyangimamela everything I say uyangimamela. So I feel like ngoba ngithanda ukukhuluma and if I'm right ngiyasho ukuthi angikho right he understand like ngifeel ngathi
like loyal.
No, akusukuba loyal. Okay, sharp ne. Intentional ne something like that. But it's also part of ukuthi mangekho right. Uyakhona ukumtshela. You know,
but still friend uyakwazi ukumtshela even though because somehow friend uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu uyamtext ukuthi I'm not okay. Your boyfriend will make a plan to come to you.
There's no difference between it text no mundo pamba.
There's a difference.
Because yeah, but I'm
get your point.
Like ungamtext umuntu ukuthi I need to talk to you. Uzovela umuntu.
One thing about umuntu wakho nabangani is two different things. Mina ngiyakhona ukuxoxa nomuntu wami ngixoxa ngoSibosh ngikamtshela. Uzoyithola kanjani ukuthi because yena noSibosh nomuntu wami abakhulumi totally. There's something so that's the thing. Uyakhona ukukhuluma nomuntu. That's one thing about umuntu wakho ne. It's different ukuthi you can talk about certain things and umuntu wakho still support you. Fana nokuthi ngithi mina ngixabane noNelton. Ngitshela umuntu wami no matter bokuyimi wrong uzothatha iside lami. That's the thing. So that's what I like about nje yonke into nje because no matter ngekho right because yeah akuba moody yani understand ne ngingaba moody and stuff but uyambuza ukuthi yini sometimes we say angikho moody nokhuluma say okay right mara bela kubuza especially umuntu obela kubuza ukuthi right 2 minutes right uyabona ukuthi umuntu unekhena so mina I feel like saying
so you try
because mangamboni or umuntu athi ufuna yazi ngifeel ngathi if you get that relationship enjalo ni uzothi umuntu angisunga ukubona this day wona uzocabanga ngani
uyobona omunye umuntu that's the thing nami ngithi nje baby
and lento lena i-twisted wena ufuna ukumbona yena like iyajikelana because wena sofuna ukumbona yena obusy so ngifuna ngathi sometimes yena akafuni and ngifuna ngathi yena ngathi ngafuni ukubona too much wena ungafuni yabona like lento ukuthi yena ukufuna cabanga wena ufuna ukumbona i1 yakho wena i100% yakhe iless if you get me
wena uprefer uguy like ufuna ukubona more
ngifuna istory
like njengami nje mina uguy uyohleza athi ufuna ukungibona every day ezimla nginalo ukuthi ayangibhizi because manje ungazi ngekho uyovakasha that's the thing just to give him space to get my point
ngiyokuyizama lento le but ngangifila ngathi it's also nice ukuthi umuntu wakho afune ukubona for nje ngicabanga umuntu akubone maybe
like ngiyaka-understand ne nami like ngile ngaba labo kule ndawo leyo ukuthi okay sharp usenze usacanga ukuthi okay sharp yes babe yabo then wabuza umngane wami ukuthi okay sharp njengoba today ngikuphi yabo asho ngami yabo usendlini and why athi hayi uthi akafuna ukungibona athi hayi usendlini shame today ungiqamba yabo like umngane wami ulo muntu ukuthi akakwazi uqamba mama like akakwazi noma ngathi chumi ithi kanje akakwazi yabo so yeah so uze wajwayela phela
and one thing ne enginothi if umuntu akuthanda inkinga zakho reza yini if manje umuntu wakho yingezi indawo kusi umuntu wakho
yes
but that's why but it's different between umngani nomuntu wakho because ngifuna ngathi umuntu wakho plays a big role than umngani because the muntu lona okay sharp umngani vele bomnandi and like yazi if ungahlangana nomuntu othanda friendship njengami mina ngiyithanda friendship ngithanda abangani mina yazi benginokuthi benginokuthi like ngifune like ngiyekele ukuthi ube busy no guy ngifocus kumngani ngithi aze ngale inkathi lezi ngithi ngifuna ukujaha ngithi ngimele like ngisheshe ukuthi like ngiyakumngani you know into enjalo but I notice ukuthi I feel like sometimes I think ngoba yena he's always on my side no matter I'm wrong okay kwamanye ama I feel like he's there
friendship nami ngiyithanda but like I'm scared of like losing people who don't like care of losing me like abantu abangasabi ukungiluza ku friendship so enye into engenza ukuthi ngibe less ebangani ngenalo yomngani ngimazi ukuthi yabo lo noma kuthiwani siyagejimiswa Uzoba lapho.
Chomi, awusangitshela. Mina you.
But Chomi.
One thing about friendship, Chomi siyajikelana. Friendship one thing siyajikelana. Yo Chomi. Yo. No matter bathi samakhumba fire sonke. Masigijimisa injalo. Uyabiza umngane. Uyabiza nomngane. Or ngiyambiza umngane.
Awubiza umama wakho.
Awubiza umama wakho.
Ethi mama, biza ukuthi check umngane.
Uvela ushaya why?
Ufana nanoma bafuna ukubamba ikhunzi ungani uzobaleka nanoma abona ukuthi abantu laba ba-approach uzoshesha ungani babambe wena emuva somehow.
Like ngifile ngathi don't trust anyone, especially in war times. Like nesa sikhathi uzazi ukuthi uyimdinga manje. Yeah, sure. Like
but then I feel like njengoba ushilo in relationship and friendship there's somehow we must set boundaries. Because you must like angeke uphilitshele umngane everything. There's certain things umngane akumelanga azazi and there's certain things ipartner akumele azazi nalezi zinto akungamelanga azazi. Okay, basithi maybe like mina no Opie student sharp uOpie ngiyazi ukuthi like ngiyazi ukuthi uOpie lo muntu obviously zolo kokuqala ngibona ukuthi uOpie lo muntu lokuthi masilwile uzothi naloko kwakho lo oloyayo in like uyazibona like okay so ngibona ukuthi uOpie kokuqala umuntu onjani then we be friends again uzo expect ukuthi uOpie ngimtshela everything no because ngiyazi ukuthi whenever uOpie but still nanoma like ungabungani onjani but then you must set boundaries ukuthini no matter what happens uyazi ukuthi you are on a safe spot because so okay singalwa sino Opie ngiyazi ukuthi there are some things uOpie na uyazi ukuthi these things are more sensitive ukuthi singalwa ngazo but then kunalabo ukuthi they don't care ngamanje like unomngane ukuthi ngamanje lomngane buphele abize like lo mngane ukuthi like manje sakafunda phela ukuthenga ubungane and uOpie ngamboni aso unjani like uyabona like into ezinjalo
okhuluma abantu ofuna
uyabona so mina I feel like somehow you must set boundaries between umngane nabang like and I feel like boyfriend efuna ukuskimana nabangani bakho I don't want that kind of boyfriend because it seems like boyfriend yakho once iyazana nawe na because it seems like manje ngathi sabanga singani sizodelelana manje ngathi so like kunalento leyo phela ukubuza ukuthi maybe wena umwokhisa kithi kunalento yokungibuza like abantu bazothi umboni usibani bekakudlela indoda wena uzoba nalento yokuthi that means abaqalanga kithi they started somewhere then nalongana akho ukuthi manje sakakuphaphela uthi Chomi muntu ka obhingcela 5 rand what's that
that's a thing
like what's that that's why I feel like mina like ukuba like the more ngibona boyfriend omuntu like you must set boundaries ukuthi ungayiphapheli like ungafuni ukuba umngane wakhe because the more uba umngane weboyfriend like umngane ka like umngane ka Opie ngiba umngane ka boyfriend manje like yini lento lengiyenzayo because it feels like phela ngingahlala nabo phela babona like kwabona uyabona ukuthi abantu bayaxosha mara usahleli wena because uzibona phela nabangani bonke la ni3 nabangani phela ubona no boyfriend manje safe la free igweru Opie na lo Opie yamgwara niyagwarana manje kumnandi ke manje la kuyahleka so I feel like sometimes you must set boundaries between umngane and then ke mangaba ku relationship ngamtshela mina ukuthi ungamkhulumisi Opie ungamkhulumisi especially ungamkhulumisi abangani bami akusabangani bakho
that's the thing Chomi abangani bami mina like to my own side abangani bami arwana like uthi bang ngibafayile so ngathi lo ngana umuntu ezinjani kanjalo that's the thing like bona bazenzelile naye azenzelile ku because like ngimjwayeze abangani bami that's the thing and like into esengiyifundile le ukuthi yazini lento ukuthi ujwayeza abangani ngomuntu wakho nomuntu okubajwayeza abangani bakho it's not that thing yabonisa abangani nje oshaya ku egg umthetho ukumamela ku egg ubani ini ku egg iWhatsApp intotoni ku egg iFacebook intotoni ku egg everything it's ku egg
so uyabona that's the thing that's why like mina ngafuni yo mangajola into serious I won't take my friends to my boyfriend's place because next time umngani phela naye uzishayile ngeboyfriend next time phela uyozenza ngathi uyofuna wena
kanti
yena uyaziyisa okay ngitshela something
uyeza lokumlinda ngaphakathi yawo
Chomi I once tried that yes because I feel like that's why like I learned from that with don't take your friends to boyfriends. Because I once tried that and I saw it, I'm wrong. Then I go like because sometimes I feel good in wrong. I need to apologize. Because I think I
have something to say.
Because saying things on men, saying like it only happened, you saying as bonnet. Because saying about good, I go parallel thing, yes, then it's eating having Chicago pay. Then man Kalapang, Ungani, Aquata, but then Ungan would tell you, Uncle, because as long as I find it out, kimchi, name and work. Because it seems like Mom has like upon open Magangas find it out with only Pedasaka, like let's strata, let's since you must say son. We are coming into like I want to check with hypo opi. Kata zawaza nomngani wakho lapha uphi manje sakayaza yini nami ngiqale ngaza bathi uphi kanti bongazanga nomngani wakho obvious abantu bayakhuluma nje babayazi uphi kuyi main chick then buza mina bathi hayibo uphi musa sibona umngani wakho lana wo but umngani wami musibeka kufuna hayibo musu ngishiye kithi then uzocabanga oh that means ufuna i-boyfriend yami wara so I think like boundaries
njengamanje nje netsho musho ukuthi ugirl angiyithi kami ugirl you see I was dating Tsebang girl akadlaza manje ugirl ubona kwi-status sami ngiposte usiyabona manje uthi hayibo lo guy lo akusulo ukuthi umkhashela ngaleza nkathi safuna primary ukuthi uye sho ukuthi ugirl atexte uguy nje ukuthi ungana wakho text nithi like mase ngiposta ku-status ngathi sho ukuthi ugirl that one friend of mine who doesn't wanna see me happy. Each and every relationship is just wanna fit in. And then she would get like one of the people to get sharp and stuff. There's a post and ati here Oteni Nazin King as is 2026. She would like you see like them to my friends. That's a thing.
But friend, you noticed what like have you all noticed what
I think your boyfriend won't gay. Like I'm outside friends, gay friends. As for now, I don't. I'm not like him. They was supposed to know.
But guys, have you noticed Tuguti? Like somehow.
Mangati, manga figure like umundo ati ngela ike eniyazi screamers.
Muslims are all the way
so unalesa spotlights bona abanganazo so that's why bazofuna
yabona like okay let me tell you one thing yabona like each and every umfana wala Ephraim Park maqala ishow yabo alihlali lingaphuma igama lami koqala abanye abafana bangase Browndash bayenza find your match bafaka isithombe sami sharp, but I didn't expect it. Manje, day before I saw in broadcast abafana abayivulile ngazi ES&S angazi ton they were speaking about my name. She would like ngilesa stabandise claim. Ngiclaim fashion. I'm like I'm the glam darling. I'm a fashion baby sense darling. So like abafana nyakadlaza vele kutabani I bring the kadlaza in the kuduza as master kadlaza.
After I posted a little message shooting last week, it's going like I was bo shooting na ye gay is it cool we are bo shooting is the one song
hey Alessia
we are going to the levels
like hey I get shop like egg so like stick on the 8 7 I want to stick on the 8 7 you are gay you think you are.
But guys, have you noticed good especially like have you noticed good if boyfriend there was like ukwenza wena ulwe nabangani bakho
somehow that's the thing uthi ephenga ayenzile ufuna engilwe nabangani bakho and like mina shame I don't wanna lie bengimlwele yabona uThepang I was fighting for Uthepang ngisa ngimlandi sitaba ngithi sisi wenzani noThepang what are you doing Uthepang Uthepang kiwaka kiwa ek like okugcina kwami ngavela ngabona uthathini it's brown baby chumini it's brown baby ni ane ngambuzo ukuqala ngathi chumo wenzani noThepang chuma senzini ngisi chuma like senzini ngisi nambe ngimangele wayangithekile angipost and stuff not to catch up and ngaphuthe bang blockade first of all but usiboshi ke ngingonyana wathi kwakwetla like intombazane yiminyaka ebani une feedback like iyayazi le yang Facebook le feedback ibackup ya sharp ke into ezinjalo hayi mangithi u-status uzobuhlungu hidile usave sebanga my heart desire bese uyayiposta status yena undumiso sithole screenshothele angikhombisa ukuthi ayebo Jimebheka ngithi Jimmy usho ukuthi mina ngihide kuleso status leso bese ngahamba ngayo mina nje ngiyaposta into mayingidla ukuthi ubone bese ngamtheka ngathi hayi ke finally intombazane wamthola bese ngatheka ukuthi bangatheka naye yabo bese athini girl nenyenze lento lena cause wena bongikwatele wena siposho wathanda ukwatela into engikho ngathi okay sharp girl wena uyathanda like kusho ukuthi wena uzama ukubasela mina ngento yabo sharp ake saqala salungisa mina girl sabaka into ezinjalo sabaka bayena ake kwangena umasigadlaza uchilithi masigudluza into kuliphepha sharp angena uchilithi jomaye athi wena uthepanga ngabona ukuthi yazini Jumi kumbule mal athini akhombe ngempela ngithepanga abajolo ngithepanga akhumbula ukuthi yazini nginemini la I have my own name akhulisa baby yamathingelwe yini stuff nesabla usboshi I don't give a damn usboshi ke naye like abana lento ukuthi yazini umntando let me just give me last chance last chance hayi uzobuhle
uchilithi lesitini into yakhe le
ngibani
uchilithi
angazi like mina ngisho kwami ukuthi akangishaya ngesitini like ngathini mina nothepha ngilabe bese on and off yebo bese kule yaphathi yokuthi siya
vele shikufuna leyo nto
and maybe now uzokuthetha
I think uthepha ngolomfana ufuna every day like I feel like uthepha somehow nama ngimazi ne I don't know him so far so like do like lento lo usbosh amchazanga I feel like ilo mfana lo ufuna ukuzibona everywhere I feel like ilo mfana lo ukuthi
alo ngijolile naye so
uyabona like ilo mfana lo ukuthi maybe mabachaza usbosh abe something azokhuluma ngayo like abafana bayakwazi ukuxabanisa
engasho ukuthi like I'm proud of it antsiba alabathi biya kuma kawa so that's the thing njengangibasela and stuff okay shapho kuzobuhla gadlaze vele makagadlaza I saw it nge 25 December lo video le bashute boy2 and then like okay halbo njani kodwa nge 20 like besikhuluma sonke into nje ha sho ukuthi mina ngicela bethi sacela ukukhuluma nge 20 zathi manje nge 24 it's wrong right then sharp I reacted like I don't know anything angazi next Shukuthi kuyalazi hayi usibosha kayenzi next ke akazi next ithi ngibeke push kanti no. Umtekadlasa into kudluza maskadlasa. Thank you. Ayisha ngidlule. Shukuthi nge 13 14 bezini.
14 zaka.
Zaka February.
Saturday.
Nge 12 esikoleni boy service. Shapo ngiyakadlaza vele ngumasikhodluza ingikadlaza shapo ayibinto on hayi usiphosh ke hey ngiyabisa ngiyamemeza ngiedinklema asike vele manje makuyisport way ngaba isport lady yabo shapo angazi ke uzobuhle axabane nomnganami olindile naye umnganami abangani baxabane but like abaxabana to the extent like into everyone's besiphumela manje like makaphuma toilet ulindiwe athi chomi lo jola nochakadola okay like akasazi nokuthi athini hayi angijona naye like why ngathi yazi nikhululeka baby wakho and then like abana after then akazange asafuna ukuma nathi avela ahamba yabo kuzikwakhala ibheki ningaba nalento ukuthi yazi naye ngimbuzo ukuthi ebhange stuff manje like abangani bami bamvova basebana lento ukuthi machakadola bese athi yena last time athini indaba yange 24 zakade senathi like ngingayi entertain guys angi-entertain esilong nje mina ajabulile nami ngiyamjabulele yabona manje uzogadlaza isithina sakho ngisebenza ngami ke wapha there never 60 sokubhadala phaya yimi one
letho lebe ngisho ukuthi uyazi umfana uyakwazi ukutexta maybe uwife ajola nawe then abone ukuthi ubuyam rejecta like uyamiyala athi umngane wakho uyangilandelela while uyazi ukuthi wena uyamthemba. You understand? While wena uyamthemba uzoyenzani? Uyazi ukuthi wena umthembe over abangani.
Yes,
then wena uzolanda umface ukuthi wara open noma ngafuna ukuchazela angikufuna ukusizwa iside la.
Phela ngizokuthi ngizobanginalento ukuthi umtexting.
Yeah. That's why like I feel like abafana sometimes like abazi ukuthi like you know what that girl is mine.
And guys into
and then kunabafana abasho ukuthi yabona lo she's not going anywhere. Nanoma ngalwa ngicheat. She'll be the one who paying me. I won't beg here. Yabazi labafana laba kanjani.
I mean again.
Nanoma wena uyenzile into wrong. Nanoma wena wrong. Uzoxolisa wena.
Ngikasho ukuthi mina ngimncinci mafra. Yabona lapho nje unkothi hayi ngambuza mina bengimtsho ukuthi nje like besengene ukuthi ne
abafana kuleyo sokule point yakho mawubhekile kubalekile ukuthi umncinci umuntu wakho
kubalekile ukuthi umncinci kwezinye izinto hayi ukuthi everything kamele umncinci mina ke ngilanje ukuthi boka akunanje ezomncinci akunabhari ezomncengwa la akunabhari ezomncengwa la sizeni into ebane emhlabeni umuntu uyeza shone ahambe lekhipara ezoncenga mina shema mfana ngincinga to that point ukuthi mina mangwrong ngiyambona ukuthi okay sharp lana wrong let me apologize.
I feel like you haven't been obsessed ngomfana or something because once you be like more obsessed like get my point and want to more obsessed and you are in that relationship you know with that this is a healthy relationship like you haven't been obsessed ngomfana or something because once you be like more obsessed like get my point and once a guy maybe ubone na ukuthi you know what this is not a like to me there's a point ubone ukuthi this is not a serious issue like when's wrong but then let it slide because it's not something that we to like ukuthi singalwa manje shaya ama bomb. You should back at least lady slide. Because it's not something serious like lady slide. Then you will find question I wasn't fun there wasn't fun with told good to me when's the interro. But then we are going to let me avoid time like I go to Naga like Uguti we now we're avoiding drama. Like unnecessary drama. Umfana sagati okay ke bofuna ini like uyabona like into ezinjani you let it slide xolisa uphume like it's not like maxolisile ayinayo uzosibona ngathi no you like uzobona naye ukuthi you know what akafuni drama she just let it slide
uzokutshela ngento ewani yabona ngifana lo ichakadola nyana wakho chuma umasilangani yabona la mfana uzokuyenza ukhethe kanje ukhethe
lala chaka
ukhethe yabona maso ukhethe
champion okorele
yabona jumle maso
ukore yena akora ngathi ukore mo yabona labangalibali
maso ukhethe kushangiwe ha yabona jumle avela ukuthi do you want something
okay Tom let's take it there.
Bese nawe ke
imachomi.
Oh bad. I was not that kind of a girl, bitch.
Imachomi. Wona nothepa ngicholeka like how many years, how many months, how many
nothepa ngi if we were still dating even now. Ukuyoba yi1 year. Because angisabali chum because yabona relationship mase understood but nge 19 April mabe senze 2 years.
Okay, Chami, that means it will be like 10 months. So Chami, okay. Well, like upset. That means the way Usmash I feel like the guy makes you catch through text and see you maybe over a month. Then over a month he like understand? Because the way I it seems like look I look we are catch so like I hope not get because I feel like we are good catch then I would current. Like I understand that like we are catches. Then I it seems like like I got Johnny now is courtesy.
One thing ne about abafana abanjalo ne abantu abathanda social media.
Thank you.
Abafana abathanda social media uyabora. Mina angimthanda umfana active. Be active but ngifile ngathi yena uthanda kakhulu uthanda iattention ku social media actually. And akusi attention kuphela le. Ilento ukuthi ngathi ngitshela nawe sithethe ama-conversation ayaphela sikhethe abone ukuthi like
uyabona through text
bakhona yazi babona through text but ngifuna ngathi there are certain guys who are busy in people's DMs kakhulu like you know bachansa everywhere bayachansa and the moment uphendula
it seems like now you are more interested. Then the more you answer,
maybe it's not right. But bakhona abanye bangasexta so itriganje. First come first serve. Ulo azotshela na iqala.
And then the one who comes first to tell ukuthi is true love kisan. Like some guys they wanna see like uthola ukuthi he never experienced true love. So like uthola ukuthi yena bekathola yes, there's love.
Someone to true love ayikho beyikhona isikhathi abongenetuition.
Yabona isikhathi whoa, like show me ina. You know ukuthi there are guys ukuthi like okay, as test the song. Okay, uthola ukuthi maybe bekadlala. Kunabanye abafana ukuthi bayathanda ukudlala. Uthola ukuthi nawe uyangalento ukuthini maybe bakhethile somewhere. Guys, the thing ukuthi like uyangokuhila lapha. But then at the end of the day, I was so obsessed. Nayi lapha akasadlali. Find the true love.
Ngitshela bakhona abanye abantu. Yazi bakhona abanye abantu abangakhulu. Yazi abafana. Yazi lento le injani ngisho. Ifana the way now uphendula ama DMs wonke.
Injalo vele.
Then ifana naye the way a texta wonke umuntu. Ngakhona. Lo ophendula like abafana abanye bayachance ubona umuntu and these days I feel like abafana babi bayazazi ukuthi babi they go for their type because I noticed ukuthi so I feel like me if abugaya babi ne is days like kule 2026 they know ukuthi babi so they go for their type and I've noticed abanye laba bahle kakhulu they go for the lower type knowing ukuthi like if you understand umfana bemuhle ugeli good
so then it says good mama is threatening like angeke sibe like wow no girl muhle wala we will be like
guy
umuntu like abantu abaningi they will pay more attention kubani ngumfana because nabafana banokuthi no babe sinjani manje because uyazi ukuthi nabangani bakhe nje angeke basilandelela lesakhe because ubani ozolandelela lesi because umthola ukuthi ugeli lo marukai uhot but then ugai uyamthanda ugeli no geli. Okay
guys, yeah, that was Gays Chat for today.
Gays Chat! Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and you see these beautiful faces. Better hit a notification button, subscribe, watch the video till the end.
So
yeah, guys.
Okay, chilling the game at like completely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification below. I can claim Manyana Kiliwats. Boys to what? Boys to girls. But in just ring pairs my name.
Sunday.
Yeah.
2 in 1.
2 in 4. I love